A commercial steel door frame needs to be properly positioned before you start anchoring it to the wall. Before the frame goes into the opening, verify the rough opening and make sure the wall construction matches the frame that was specified. Check the opening for width, height, depth, squareness, and floor level. A drywall opening has a different installation requirements than a masonry or concrete opening, so the wall type matters from the very beginning.
The frame should also be inspected before the installation to make sure the components arrive without damage and to match the specified opening. Hardware preparation and any required fire rating information should be verified at this stage. Once these conditions are confirmed, the frame can be positioned in the opening.
How the frame is positioned depends on the frame configuration and wall construction. A welded frame arrives as a pre-assembled unit and is typically installed before or during wall construction. A knockdown frame ships as separate components and is assembled on site. It's commonly used after wall construction is completed, including retrofit, remodel, and renovation work. Other wall conditions, including wood stud, steel stud, drywall, masonry, and concrete, can also require different installation and anchoring methods.
Regardless of the frame configuration, the frame needs to be positioned correctly within the opening before it's permanently anchored. This is where three important alignment terms come into play: plumb, level, and square. Plumb means the jambs are vertically straight. Level means the head of the frame is horizontally straight. And square means the frame is properly aligned so the corners and opening are positioned correctly relative to each other. These checks need to be made before the frame is permanently secured.
The frame can be the right size and still have problems if the opening or installation conditions aren't right. Any incorrect rough opening, the wrong frame for the wall, inadequate support, or alignment issue can affect how the door operates once installed. The frame, wall, door, hardware, and installation conditions all need to work together. That's why these details are verified before the installation is complete.
Once the frame reaches the alignment stage, adjustments may be needed. The frame may need to be shifted or shimmed to get the jambs plumb, the head level, and the opening square. You also need to make sure the top of the frame is properly supported and positioned so the frame can support the door correctly. The goal is to get the frame properly aligned and supported before the anchors are fully secured.
Once the frame is aligned, it can be anchored to the wall system. The anchoring methods depend on the wall construction and frame coordination. For wood stud walls, CDF offers wood stud anchors. For steel stud walls, CDF offers steel stud anchors designed to attach the frame to the steel stud system. Knockdown frames also have multiple anchoring options, including compression, stud, and punch and dimple. For masonry and concrete applications, the anchoring methods needs to be appropriate for the specific wall type. This wall type determines how the frame is secured, and that the connection needs to maintain the frame's alignment throughout installation.
CDF helps you coordinate those details before the frame ever reaches the job site. With ProBuilder, you can configure the frame around your project requirements, including frame type, size, wall type, fire rating, and more. ProBuilder can also calculate the required rough openings and provide those dimensions directly on your quote. So you know what openings need to be before installation begins, and because you can configure the door, frame, and hardware together as a complete commercial opening, you can make sure those components are coordinated before anything arrives on site. If you're not sure what frame, wall application, anchoring methods, or opening configurations your project requires, don't wait until installation to figure it out. Upload your plans to our site or call the CDF team. We'll help you work through the details, configure the right openings, and make sure you have the information you need before the frame gets to the job site.